Hey, I don't have a large table, so I wanted to give you an opportunity to check out what it's like to set a proper table for each of your guests, and this is my spot. All right, so what we do to set a proper table is lay the charger and make a lot of noise, but you put down your dinner plate on top, and then you will place your salad plate on top, and then you can decorate with a lovely napkin with a napkin ring, and any way you wish. You can toss it around if you think that'll look pretty. Has little bells on it, and you can make these yourself by taking a Dollar Tree napkin ring and gluing the little bells all over it. Now we're going to set a bread plate right over here, and on top you're going to put the butter knife so people can add butter to their bread, whether it be cornbread or just rolls or biscuits, whatever's coming with the meal. And I don't know, I'm a weirdo. I like things to be symmetrical, but I'm not sure I'm going to get that. All right, and then after you lay those, we're going to start laying the silverware. And what you do is, since you have a salad and meal, you're going to put your fork. This is the fork that you'll use to eat supper. Now, as you lay them down, you're going to put this to be used last. And then you're going to put your salad fork here, because you're going to eat your salad first. At least in the USA we do. Now, then on this side, you're going to put a knife to be used with supper to cut your meat, or whatever it is you want to do with it, and lay a spoon if there's anything that anyone would want to eat with the spoon. Now, for dessert, if you're going to have dessert, you lay down a spoon on top. Move this down just slightly. You lay a spoon and a fork, the small ones, to be used with your dessert there. Now, after that, we're going to add our glasses. If you want to add wine, you'll put a small glass, a wine glass, here at the top of your fork, or your knife, sorry. And then if you're going for water or tea or whatever, you can either, switch it out with a larger glass here, or when you set both, you'll put the wine glass ahead of the water glass. And that is pretty much it for a formal setting where you have guests and you can lay out a place card, or if you don't have that and you have a small gathering, everybody knows where they'll sit, you don't have to worry with that. But I do hope that you all like the way I set my table. This is what I use sometimes when I have a lot of guests, and I choose to use the white, and because it is so versatile, and you can use it with any color. You can use a different color salad plate if you want to dress it up, or use colorful napkin rings, etc. Well, let me know what you think, and leave me a comment, and I hope you like it.
Please subscribe and hit that bell.